Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Honor X6b if you forget your password. Okay, let's get started. So, first thing we're gonna do is find my device using the Google account. So, all you need to do is get into your Google, simply on the browser type find my device, and now click sign in. As you can see, we have the Honor X6b. So now simply click on it, factory reset device now, and then simply click on next and follow the instruction, but remember that all your data will be erased from the phone and lost, so please create a backup. Okay, so that's the first option. Second option is by using the recovery mode. So first, now, let's turn off the phone. Click on power off. Wait a few seconds, let the phone rest. Okay, and now, how we enter the recovery mode. All you need to do is hold the power button and the volume up button for a few seconds until the Honor logo shows up. So simply hold. Okay, you can keep holding for a few seconds more. Okay, you can release your fingers. And as you can see, now we are in the recovery mode. So, how to move around this menu. If you click the volume down, simply go down, volume up, you go up, and by clicking the power button, you'll accept the option you just selected. So now we want to click on clear data and click on factory reset. Now we need to type the word yes on our keyboard, volume up, and click on factory reset. Okay, so the process is started. You need to wait a little bit until it's finished. Okay, it has finished. Now we can click on back and now on restart. So now the phone will be restarted, turned on back again, and basically you will need to set up your phone and the phone will be ready to use. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.